So it's the middle of February in northern Ontario, and it's something like -2. It rained last week, so it's been very unseasonably warm, just like it has been, I think, everywhere. So why not go and pick something up, right?
Right.
Just got to brush this off, hook things up, hope that it pulls out of its icy, oh, well, sure.
Man, all these keywords, picking up, pulling out. Already miss my wife.
Okay, let me just set this camera up, we'll get to work.
We'll use the Honda Pod.
What's this device here? It's like a sifter of some sort.
A snifter.
Let's check the back of your head.
All good on the back of my head. Oh, is my mullet growing?
No, nothing yet.
I also warned Maria that her panties may rip off and fly across the room the second I sit in them.
Uh-oh.
We'll get there. Anybody who remembers, this is how you rip the handles off these things.
I don't know.
We'll have to get something to...
Try the other side. They might be able to just give it a boot from...
Maybe you didn't get a rain bag. This is the problem with rain in the winter. No, that one's worse.
Look at that, those exhaust tips.
Brand new exhaust on it. I don't know that it's even been run.
Straighten. Oh, that tire's right off the rim.
I didn't put the parking brake on.
That was some good driving.
My first time driving a Trans Am like that.
Ride smooth.
Like
rocket sled on rails.
Yeah, just, you know.
Yeah.
Oh, they're there.
These weigh nothing. Get those in the shop to clear up a bit. I love this Cabover. I wish there was something I could do with that cab.
That is very cool. You don't see them like that at all very often anymore.
Be a pretty cool truck.
This is what I want. I want these for my car.
Just pull it out. There you go.
I don't know that that would have saved anyone.
No, not very well anyway.
Oh. Hey, the keys are in it.
Start her up.
The battery's dead.
Spring comes, there's another fender down there. There is another whole trunk with a window.
Oh yeah.
Come here with the little fin. Get rid of that stupid whale tail shit.
Yeah, this stuff is funny, isn't it? How it's just this rubber
Crap.
I never realized that it was that. I thought it was a harder material. You got it, Tim?
Yep.
you want me to grab a block? We can block it and then...
If you want, yeah, I guess.
Oh, up she comes.
It's more work than I like to do on a Sunday. On there? Nope. No, okay. Oh.
Only 3.
Creaking sounds are good.
Good noises.
Bing.
Do you want your gloves? You can tell a northern boy.
Yeah. Right.
I don't need gloves.
You know, I'm turning into a southern person because I want the heat.
That's because you're getting old. That's right.
Hate winter with a passion.
Did you ever like winter though?
Maybe
Oh, I'm just in my coat here.
I went skiing, but I'll hate it now. Too damn cold.
More? A little tiny bit. Oh, that should do it. Slotted and drilled rotors.
Oh, look at that.
Wow, this thing's got some goodies on it.
I knew that was gonna come back and bite me in the ass.
What's that?
The wheel.
Oh, careful.
Nope, no one saw that. Just a hazard of the job, that's all. Am I straight?
A little bit more. Yeah, you're good there. Yep, perfect. All right, so one thing that we got to get some footage of before we end up leaving the farm today is this vintage International combine. This thing is wild. I can't believe what kind of shape it's in. Pretty simple and straightforward design, but pretty cool. Pretty simple air conditioning system there too. I think that, yep, just comes from that filter outside. Bit of a drop to the ground as well. The number of belts and everything in this is crazy. And we're back, full circle. to where we started this morning, except +1. That was a good adventure. So now, before we call it a day, we're gonna do one last thing.
If it'll, I don't know, the hood may be frozen closed. You know what? Well.
Give it a try and see. If we can get it open, we're gonna hook the battery up so we can see the dashboard lights turn on.
Oh, what a beautiful seat cover.
Well, I think it's frozen down. Oh! Yep.
Okay, well, let me get the snow off it then before we break the windshield. Okay, so once again, we have blue wires, blue multi-port injection.
That's some fanciness.
Right?
I've got your blue battery box here.
Now, let's do groundy ground first.
Oh,
Did you grab the keys out of
no,
the truck?
I'll go grab them right now. No sparking?
No fires yet.
Here's the key.
Okay. Now let's, here we go. Ooh.
Oh.
Dash lights come on. What do you think? Should we give her a kicker there and see what happens? Oh, mine's turn over.
Oh, hold on.
The battery is a little on the dead side though.
Well, yeah, the winch did it in. Here, watch your leg. There we go. Yep. Oh, yep. Oh, whoa. Oh, all right.
Lots of fire?
No, just lots of sparks.
Okay, so let's get the battery unhooked because what was smoking?
The accessory, that nice accessory cable for whatever it runs. Probably underglow lighting or something like that.
This one here?
Yep.
Oh yeah, that's because look at how it's in.
Oh yeah, I know. It's quite fancy.
Just take it out.
Oh, well, there you go. I wasn't touching anything.
That's to the MSD box.
So another adventure in the books on a snowy February weekend that isn't really that cold. What's going to become of the Trans Am? Who knows? Any comments?
Oh no, I'm stoked on this. This is great. I mean, hey, nothing else. This thing was gonna rot.
Yep, quite a collection of leaves in here.
I know. I was just gonna go dig those out before I close the hood.
Yeah.
Same with up here.
Bit of a clean. Oh yeah.
This is all frozen in though.
Thanks for watching, folks, and make sure to stay tuned to find out what we end up doing with this thing. Might be a few episodes down the road, but we're gonna get to it for sure.
Maybe we'll keep this engine. Maybe we'll put an LS in it. And maybe we'll put a Ford engine in it.
Oh, there you go. Who knows? But it's worth checking up every once in a while to find out what we're up to. All right, have a good one. What's that?
I said, I'm kidding. We won't put a Ford engine in it.
Oh.